In this video, we'll walk you through how to add an additional Instagram account. If you find this helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Whether you're adding a business profile or creating a new personal one, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First, head over to your profile page by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. Then, tap the three lines in the top right to open the menu. Next, go to Settings and select Account Center. From there, tap Profiles and then choose Add Account. You can add a new account this way. Alternatively, from your profile page, press and hold the profile icon in the bottom right, then select Add Instagram Account. You can either create a new account or log into an existing one. I'll log into an existing account by entering my details. Now it's added, you can easily switch between accounts by holding the profile icon again, and then you can toggle between them. That's all. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I look forward to helping you again soon.